I'm a blue white-collar kind of girl, if you know what I mean. If you ask me, with all I've seen in my life and with the long hours I do, I'm not sure there is such a thing as white or blue collar anymore. Work is work.
Can you tell us, what is the most amazing thing you've been able to witness here?
Well, seeing a baby come into our world is always an amazing experience. The twinkle in their eyes, their parents' happiness, and the love and care of the doctors that I get to work with. That is always beautiful.
How many babies have you helped deliver?
Honestly, I don't know the exact number, but I can tell you that it's over 100.
Wow. And how do you manage to stay clean and fit for each of them? You are, after all, a reusable gown.
That is a great question. Well, every single time I'm up for a wash, someone picks me up and takes me to one of the best places in the city to get professionally cleaned and laundered. And then they bring me back hygienically clean and ready for my next adventure. And you know the best thing about it? I'm always on time. My laundry is amazing. I give them all the credit.
That's wonderful. Is there anything else you would like to share?
Yes, I would just like to share that bringing babies into this world is not all I do. I also play an important part in keeping the planet clean. By using reusable linens like me, we prevent more than 213 tons of waste in disposable gowns each year. Those are big numbers. Now, if you'll excuse me, I must get going for a colonoscopy. I told you, I've seen it all.
Oh.
Reusable textiles play a critical part in the healthcare industry by providing environmentally conscious and cost-effective solutions for patient care. Commercial laundries, adhering to the most rigorous protocols, ensure that these linens are hygienically cleaned, sanitized, and ready for use in healthcare environments around the globe. Reusable textiles minimize environmental impact by reducing solid waste compared to disposable alternatives and support the industry's supply chain and sustainability efforts. Let's celebrate International Linen and Uniform Service Day on August 9th to recognize the industry's vital contributions to supporting both healthcare and the environment.